right, here is my Hippo card with the Into the Clouds embossing folder. This is my Up, Up, and Away Hippo card. So I used this Into the Clouds embossing folder. So I'm just gonna bring my machine up here and I'm going to insert this into the embossing folder. And you have this gorgeously detailed sky and clouds. I'm going to adhere this flat to a fresh freesia card base. Now I've used the gingerbread house dies to cut out this cute little hill. And I used the Celebrate Everything Designer Series paper. It's a hostess item in the mini catalog. You get 48 12 by 12 sheets for $18. So this is an amazing deal with a ton of different fun celebration papers that you can only get if you're a hostess. And I'm going to be using these papers in my Hippo cards. So I'm just gonna go ahead and adhere down the grass. The clouds I cut out from my favorite cloud set called Give It a Whirl. So it has these 3 clouds right here and I love using them. So I'm gonna put dimensionals on those. And then last but not least, we have our cute little hippo. I've stamped and colored the hippo with the Fresh Freesia Blends markers and the Petal Pink markers. And I've cut out one of the little cute umbrellas out of the dies, as well as some of the cute little flowers out of the dies. So I'm gonna adhere all of these on. And lastly, I'm just gonna add some of these fun opal rounds from the In Color opal rounds. So I'm gonna do the Fresh Freesia. And there we have our card. So I'm offering a free card class when you place a $50 order and you would like this class. This will only be available until this Friday, July 30th. So place your orders now and I will send you your free Hippo card kit.